Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Jackie and this is Jackie's Court. Today I'll be doing easy 3-step teriyaki chicken. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you would add anything or have any other recipe ideas that you would like for me to try. I hope you enjoyed this video and be sure to subscribe. So here I'm just showing you all the ingredients that I used. I got pretty much everything from Aldi, and we're going to start off with the chicken. I cooked this for a family of 4, so you'll need about 2.5 pounds. I did go back and cut up another thing of chicken for this, and then I used reduced soy sauce because you actually use quite a bit of soy sauce in this. I opted out on cooking the rice. Instead, I used some stir fry that you will later see that I put inside with the chicken. I used brown sugar, which you cannot get at Aldi. I got it from Walmart. And I also showed you some pre-cut up chicken. And here I am just washing and cleaning off the chicken, and my dog, she wanted to be a part of it, so everybody tell Daisy she did great. So I decided to make veggie rolls as well. You can get these from Costco. They're about $10 for 50 egg rolls in a box, and they're really easy to make. All you have to do is turn them on each side for 10 minutes each, and then they're done. And they also come with little packets of sauce if you want to use that too. Here I did not realize that the camera had died, so it's going to go from empty pans to these pans filled with food. So what you guys did not see was me putting my cut up chicken into the pans. I let that cook fully for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I go in with soy sauce. I add about half a cup to each pan to begin with, and then if I felt like it needed a little bit more, I put a little bit more in there. And I put brown sugar in both pans. The brown sugar is kind of to taste, and when you see that the sauce is going to be a little smooth, because in this pan in the front you can tell it's still kind of watery, but in the back the food is pretty much done. And here I'm just plating the food so I can show you all. And that is it for this video, all. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, comment down below what you think I should make next, and subscribe. See you guys next time.